What impressed me the most was how the ideas of the company's products are so rooted within the company and within the team, and also their immense knowledge on the markets that these companies are operating in. One thing that I've learned from this experience was that companies have good days, they have bad days, but one must keep on striving in order to achieve what the company's ethos is.
My experience in visiting these three companies was a relatively positive one, since I am really interested into knowing more about the TAKEOFF business incubator and the experience of the startup so far. What I learned the most in this experience was that taking opportunities and risks are key to success.
TAKEOFF considers relationships with both the student and the academic body of primary importance in the areas of science, engineering, technology, the arts, and creative media. So, as you might well imagine, we have a very large remit. TAKEOFF is the incubation function of SEBI. We therefore provide both accommodation, mentoring, and sustenance for new incubatees. It is our very firm belief that the next wave of GDP growth has to come from startup companies, and startup companies are the greatest potential for startup companies is actually with students. We are also extremely keen to help convert academics into enterprise builders. All academics have an immense amount of intellectual property. We want them to realize that they can convert that intellectual property into enterprise. So definitely TAKEOFF wants to support both these sectors greatly.